Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car. We've got a very exciting project to do with you guys today. Now go back 3 years on our channel. You'll find a video called Holy Crap Violet Metallic. It's titled that because at the time, we couldn't think of anything better to call it. That's literally how we reacted to the project. We combined together a bunch of random components. Sterling silver pearl, Martian violet pearl, and grape juice. And we mixed them all together and we sprayed them on top of a black base and got this super unique, highly metallic, almost candy-ish kind of reaction. And it came out beautiful. And ever since then, 3 years ago, people have been screaming at us to do a blue version. That's all they want to see. Do it in blue, do it in blue. And we're finally coming around to doing that. So here's what I have right here. I have sterling silver pearl, Martian blue pearl instead of the Martian violet, and then instead of the grape juice, ideally we would use blueberry juice, but it's been on back order for months. There's no end in sight. So then I got the next best one, watermelon juice, which is a bluish teal, so it definitely shouldn't ruin the project. If anything, should make it a little bit more interesting. We've got the S4 here. It's got a beautiful black base down on it now. So we're going to mix all these components together, see how it turns out. Enjoy the video. So about halfway through the first coat, I immediately remembered why we waited so long to spray this combination again. This color is such a pain in the ass to spray. It must have taken me 3 years to forget how difficult it is. There's something about the combination of the sterling silver pearl, the interference style Martian pearl, and then that candy style juice concentrate that makes it just so difficult. It's just, you're getting clouds and unevenness all throughout the car. We really had to dial in the coats. It took way more time and attention than it normally does to get this car looking right. It's such a cool effect though. That's the trade-off. It is such an awesome effect that if you're willing and capable of doing the work, the end result may be worth it to you. Now, I'm not gonna make this one into a car kit because it's not really user-friendly for beginners, and I don't want people to find it on the website and just think it's cool and run with it. If you want to do your car in this color, just contact DYC Customer Service, and we'll put a kit together for you. If you want to dip your car in another color, we have a ton of colors to choose from, and all of them are easier to use than this one. Just click right up here. It'll bring you to our car kits. Let's go outside and check out the car. Thank you guys so much for watching, doing these projects with me, and most of all, subscribing to the channel. It's Fonzie. I will see you guys on the next video.